Hello everybody, this is Ayla and this is Trooper, and today we are going to work on getting better hands. Well, we're going to use the cheat strap, but that only does one thing. The other thing, it kind of keeps you from going any higher. But if you notice while you're trotting that your hands are going up and down, that might be because you're not hinging at your elbows. And here's a good test to see how you're doing is we're taking her hands off of the reins and putting it just on the cheat strap to concentrate on keeping her hands as straight as possible. The exercise I'm going to have her do is actually take her pinky and try to touch the blanket or the horse with her pinky. So she's going to have to open and close her elbow to get that. So this really comes into play at a trot, because you have to open and close your elbows a little bit and push your hands down. You're training that muscle memory to actually remember keeping those hands solid on the horse so they don't move as much. So lots of going around in circles and practicing at a trot. See how your pinkies are lifting a little. Open and close your elbows. A little bit better. Good. Good. And the pinky exercise on the saddle pad will help you have better hands. It just takes a little bit longer to do and a lot of practice. If you need to use that cheat strap to keep from pulling on the reins, that's another one. The whole idea here is when we do have contact with the reins, that we're going to have solid contact with the reins. And this is English or Western, because we are riding with a hackamore. Sometimes it's important that we are able to have direct contact with that hackamore. Push them down, heels down, hands down, eyes forward. And it's harder than you think. All right. Now we're going to up it a little level. To help you find your balance, which is shoulder, hip, and heel, I'm going to have her do a 2-point or stand and hold that position as much as she can. You want to have your shoulder, your hip, and your heel in line and push those hands down to the saddle pad. Touch your pinky to the saddle pad and try to stand at the same time. Let's not put weight on your hands. That is the hard part. Oh my gosh, there's a lot going on there. Ready? So just stand up for me. Find the correct position. There you go. And let's hold it, hold it, hold it. You're gonna hold for shorter and shorter periods of time by having a little bit of the cones right here. We're gonna go, oh, stand for me, stand for me. There you go. All right, find your balance point, find your balance point. We go to walk first and now sit. Good. We're gonna go to walk and eventually at a trot. So yeah, I know you're not looking forward to that, but it will give you a better seat and it will give you better hands. Okay, now let's up the level of torture. We're gonna have her take her feet out of the stirrups now to help hold. So this way, she's not going to put her feet in the stirrups at all and has to concentrate on all of her balance being in her seat and her hands staying down. Now we're going to walk around a little bit and then we're going to trot and we're going to see how that goes. Now we got pretty secure at a walk. Now let's get secure at a trot. Hands down, there you go. And we're working on the lunge line. Keep as best we can. There we go. Because it's easier to do on a lunge line, because I can kind of give the horse a little bit of encouragement, but working with no stirrups, just off the bucking strap, concentrating, open, close the elbows, keep your hands down. Good, good. This way you have two things to concentrate on. No stirrups and pushing the hands down. And we're going to keep doing this until she feels a lot more secure in the saddle. There we go, there we go, there we go. Good, good. Push his hands down. Good. It always takes so much more work than you think it's going to. Thank you so much for joining us on today's video. If you enjoyed the video, give us a like. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. And remember, to see more about Bones, check out his playlist.